You may not think that your gut can essentially control your whole body, but it's true. Experts believe that a healthy gut can lead to a healthy, longer life. In this article, we will go over what a leaky gut is, what causes a leaky gut, and what you can do to improve your gut health. What is a leaky gut? Your gut is more than the thing that pokes out after you've had a big meal. It is very complex with many different parts working together to keep itself healthy. In fact, experts believe that your gut plays a role in keeping your immune system healthy, your skin healthy, and your mood in order. As you can see, keeping your gut healthy is critical. Here are some signs that your gut may be unhealthy: an upset stomach. Bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all be signs of an unhealthy gut. High sugar diets. If you eat a lot of sugar, chances are your diet is decreasing the number of good bacteria in your gut. Weight fluctuations. If you notice yourself gaining or losing weight without any major lifestyle changes, it could be due to an unhealthy gut. Sleep disturbances. Issues falling asleep and staying asleep are also linked with an unhealthy gut. Food intolerances. Food intolerances are the result of difficulty digesting certain foods. This can be caused by an unhealthy gut. As you may have already been able to piece together, these symptoms are also common with other diseases and illnesses. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's best to speak with a doctor. They will be able to diagnose your issues and determine the proper steps moving forward. What causes a leaky gut? Unfortunately, as of right now, it's not clear what exactly causes the leaky gut syndrome. We know that certain things correlate with an unhealthy gut, so we can make generalizations, but as of now, we don't know for sure. Here are some of the things experts believe cause a leaky gut: poor nutrition, alcohol consumption, infections, autoimmune disorders, diabetes, stress. As time goes on and research increases regarding gut health, we will develop a better understanding of what causes an unhealthy gut. Why is gut health important? When you hear bacteria, you may not think about it in a positive light. However, humans have evolved to live with these microbes for millions of years. In fact, many of these microbes in our bodies play a very important role in keeping our bodies healthy. Without the gut microbiome, it would be very difficult for us to survive. With that being said, there are toxic and unhealthy microbes that can lead to disease if they take over your gut. An imbalance of healthy and unhealthy microbes is sometimes called gut dysbiosis, and it may contribute to weight gain. The bloating, cramps, and abdominal pain that people with IBS experience may be due to gut dysbiosis. This is because the microbes produce a lot of gas and other chemicals, which contribute to the symptoms of intestinal discomfort. What foods are bad for your gut? Just as important as the foods you eat are the foods that you don't eat. Knowing the unhealthy gut foods to avoid can help you keep your gut health in order. Here are some of the foods that you should avoid when focusing on your gut health. Sugar. Research has shown that a high sugar diet leads to poorer overall function compared to a low sugar diet. Processed foods. Diets filled with processed food can lead to colitis and metabolic diseases. Soy. Soy can be healthy, but unfortunately, much of today's soy goes through processing. A high soy diet can have damaging effects on your gut microbiome. Dairy. Studies have shown that dairy consumption changes the bacterial makeup of your gut within days, allowing strains linked to intestinal disease and inflammation to flourish. Eggs. Certain proteins in eggs encourages the growth of gut bacteria that produce a chemical compound that causes clotting and thus raises the risk of heart attack and stroke. Vegetables to avoid. 90% of all corn grown in the United States is genetically modified. We know that some of this food can be enjoyable. However, cutting it out of your diet can help tremendously. You can still enjoy these foods from time to time, but cut back on your consumption. What improves gut flora? Taking proper care of your gut is a great way to increase your chances of a long and healthy life. There are somewhere around 40 trillion bacteria in your body, most of which are in your intestines. Some of these bacteria are healthy for you, while others can contribute to diseases and illness. The main way to improve your gut health is through your diet. We will go further into detail regarding the specific gut health foods to eat and to avoid later in the article. For the time being, here are some ways you can improve your gut health. Practice a balanced diet. The more diverse your diet is, the more diverse your microbiota will be. A diverse microbiota is considered to be a healthy one. The more species of bacteria you have, the greater the number of health benefits they may be able to contribute to. Fruits and vegetables. Ever since you were a little kid, you've been taught the importance of fruits and vegetables. We're here to hammer it through your head once again. Fruits and vegetables are the best sources of nutrients for a healthy microbiota. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are foods altered by microbes. Don't eat too many artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners can increase blood sugar and can impair insulin response. Breastfeed for at least 6 months. Recent research suggests that babies may be exposed to bacteria before birth. After birth, it's important that they are breastfed for at least 6 months. This will help increase the number of good bacteria. Breastfeeding is also associated with lower rates of allergies, obesity, and other diseases that may be due to differences in the gut microbiota. Recognizing the signs of a healthy gut can help you make sure everything is running smoothly. If you are experiencing healthy bowel movements and good overall health, chances are you're experiencing good gut health. Supplements that can help. One supplement that can help encourage positive gut health is spermidine. This is because spermidine helps induce something called autophagy. This is the body's process of replacing old and potentially damaged cell parts with newer, healthier ones. Autophagy literally means self-eat. This process helps keep you feeling and looking young, while also dramatically lowering your chances of developing aging diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While it is possible to get your recommended daily intake of spermidine through your diet, it's recommended to take supplements so you ensure you get the right dose. Simply taking your supplements with your dinner is a great way to remember to take spermidine supplements every night.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.